What's up, guys? Will H, and shooting a little 4K footage, 4K 60 from the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6. So you guys get a chance to hear the microphone quality and see how stable it is, and look at the image quality as well as I zoom in on that bridge that's over there. Zoom back out. Beautiful sunny day out here. By the river over here. Over there across the river. The display is very visible out here because, you know, it has a I think this is 2600 nits of brightness, I think. So that's that bridge over there. Very nice image quality right here. That's Alexandria over there, the city of Alexandria. See if we can zoom in on that flag. Yeah, so this is it, guys. It's a big flag right there. And do a little walking. I'm walking on gravel, so get a chance to see how stable this is as I walk. And it's windy out here, so hopefully the mic's picking up pretty good as well. It's kind of like a little park area, I guess. I know when they'd have the festivals like fireworks and stuff like that, a lot of people come over here and they watch the fireworks. That's the level of the river right there. And yeah, just a beautiful day out here today. Old Glory herself there. All right, 4K 60 sample from the Z Fold6. Throw some photos in here as well. Let's get in on that. It's called an amphitheater over there. They have concerts and stuff over there. All right, guys, so this is the front-facing camera on the Z Fold6, shooting 4K 60 in the same area here. You guys get a chance to see how this look. Got the sunlight pointing at me now, and just holding it by hand. I don't have a tripod. This is the image quality and the mic quality as well. See if I can get the river behind me there in that bridge. There it is. That's the Red River as well. So yeah, so this is the quality that you're going to get from the front-facing camera shooting 4K at 60.